With families gathering for the holidays, now is a good time to be thinking about recording family history for posterity. After the last turkey leg has been eaten and the final slice of pumpkin pie has been gobbled down, it's prime time to start reminiscing. And thankfully, it's never been easier to record video on your smartphone while interviewing Grandma. Before you get started, however, here are some tips and tricks you need to know to make your project look and, most importantly, sound polished. Well, you can just prop your phone up on a stable surface. For more professional results, head to your local electronics retailer and make a few inexpensive purchases for accessories. The investment is small compared to the priceless memories you'll capture. On the tech side, we'll keep this simple and not let you get overwhelmed. First, purchase a lavalier mic like this one with a 10-foot cord that will plug into your smartphone, whether it's an Android or iPhone. These can be found on Amazon for under $30. This clips on Aunt Judy's collar and is key to getting high-quality audio. Second, purchase a small tripod like this that can sit on top of a table that will steady your camera. These can be found for about $25. Thirdly, you'll need a clamp to connect your phone to the tripod like this. Cheap ones can be purchased for under $10. Finally, just use the free native camera app on your phone when you record video interviews. There are other options, but they can be expensive and difficult to learn. Do yourself a favor and learn how to use this equipment before Uncle Joe falls asleep waiting for you to mic him up. When it comes to interviewing, here are some handy tips. First, find a quiet room in the house, away from the football game and other adults visiting, to use as your recording studio. Best if it can be well lit or with light coming in from a north-facing window. Next, set your camera to a horizontal mode and not vertical. We ain't TikToking here. While conducting your interview, ask specific questions to elicit great stories. Questions like, how did you and Grandma meet? Or, tell me about the day that my mom was born, are great places to start. It's best if you inform your relatives ahead of time that you're planning to do this so they can be prepared. And if your second cousin 3 times removed doesn't want to participate, don't force them. By the time you are finished, it'll be time for turkey soup or turkey lasagna or, well, turkey something. Have fun!